Welcome. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to allow microphone permissions for a specific site on Google Chrome using the latest update. This is essential for activities like video calls or online meetings where audio input is required. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. If you don't have it open yet, simply locate the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and double-click to launch it. Next, navigate to the site you want to enable microphone access for. This could be a video conferencing platform, an online game, or any other website that requires audio input. Once the page loads, you'll be ready for the next step. Now, look to the left of the web address bar. You will see a small icon that indicates site information. Click on this icon that looks like a padlock or an info symbol. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with various options related to the site's permissions. From this menu, select Site Settings. This will take you directly to a new page where you can manage permissions for that specific website. On the Site Settings page, find the section labeled Microphone. Here, you will see options regarding microphone access for this site. Next to Microphone, you will have a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Allow. This action grants the site permission to access your microphone. And there you have it. You have successfully allowed microphone access for the selected site in Google Chrome. If you ever need to change this setting again, just repeat these steps and adjust the permissions as necessary. Remember, allowing microphone access can enhance your online experience significantly, especially for communication platforms. Always ensure that you only grant these permissions to trusted sites to maintain your privacy and security. Thank you for following along. Now you're all set to use your microphone on any site that requires it in Google Chrome. Enjoy your browsing experience.